In the scorching heart of the desert, where the unforgiving sun painted the sand dunes with waves of heat, a clever and thirsty crow embarked on a desperate quest for water. The relentless desert stretched as far as the crow's keen eyes could see, offering no respite from the relentless thirst that gripped him. Every droplet of moisture in his body felt like a distant memory. With each labored flap of his wings, he hoped to stumble upon a source of water, but the vast expanse of sand offered none. Dehydrated and weary, the crow's luck finally took a turn when he spotted a peculiar sight in the distance. A small, glistening object gleamed on the desert floor. With his last ounces of energy, he made his way towards it, and to his delight, it was a shiny, silver pitcher. Summoning all his strength, the crow approached the pitcher. However, as he peered inside, hope gave way to disappointment. The pitcher contained only a few drops of water at the very bottom, far out of the crow's reach. The crow, though exhausted, refused to give up. His survival instincts kicked in, and he began to devise a plan. He picked up small pebbles from the desert floor and one by one dropped them into the pitcher. With each pebble he added, the water level began to rise ever so slightly. The clever crow's determination paid off. After several attempts, the water level in the pitcher rose high enough for him to quench his thirst. He drank the precious water until his strength returned, and he could fly once more. With a heart full of gratitude, the crow took to the skies, soaring above the desert. He had conquered the arid landscape and satisfied his thirst through sheer wit and determination. The story of the thirsty crow served as a testament to the power of resourcefulness and quick thinking, even in the harshest of conditions.